What's up guys, Shawnus here. Welcome back to another video. In this one, we're going to talk about lead generation, specifically how to optimize your funnels for maximum leads. Now this is something that I really want to talk about, and it's something that not many people talk about because it's a very small thing, but in reality, it affects your affiliate marketing business significantly. So I just want to make a whole video about it, talk a little bit about it, and at the same time, just give you some tips to implement into your affiliate marketing funnels to just get the most out of all the traffic that you send to them. All right. So before we start, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. If you're not subscribed, I really appreciate it. Also, click the link in the description. That's going to take you to my favorite landing page generation and just online business affiliate marketing tool of all time. That's system.io. It's incredible, guys. If you, like, anything you need as an affiliate marketer is just there, from the lead generation, from funnels, email marketing, to membership websites, affiliate networks and everything. So it's all there. You should definitely check it out. It's something that is really you can't find tools like this, and you can start for free. So it's something you should definitely take a look at. All right guys, so let's go to my computer. Let me talk about affiliate marketing and specifically how to get the most out of your funnels and just generate more leads. All right, so let's go over there. All right guys, so one of the things I want to do is I want to demonstrate a funnel build up here, because you can see exactly what goes on through my head when I'm trying to optimize for maximum leads. Now these are, again, some of the stuff that not many people talk about, and it can significantly affect how many leads you generate and just improves your conversions generally to sales, to more sales, right? So I just want to talk about it. So I'm in ClickBank. I just want to choose a product. Now the product I want to choose here is an affiliate marketing product. It's the 12-minute affiliate system. Okay, so I'm looking. So my plan for this funnel is to basically have an opt-in page, and then send people to a webinar funnel. So that is the idea, to a webinar replay. Now, so I don't want to send people directly from an opt-in page to another webinar opt-in page. That would not be a good thing, because it's just gonna kill the conversions. But one of the things I want to do, again, I want to generate the leads on my own side and then send them to a replay, like a webinar replay or video training replay or something like that. So that's the idea here. So I'm just gonna go here. Now the reason I'm choosing this product is because they have some really good funnels that you can choose from. So like, this is the one I'm talking about, this one. So they got this webinar replay, which is really nice, and I'm just gonna kind of copy the link here. Okay, I'm just gonna drop it right here. I'm gonna replace it with my own affiliate ID. Okay, so just like that, we got a link. All right, so that's that. Now one of the things, again, it's very important to build your funnel correctly, and that is the idea with this, right? So I'm just gonna go ahead and open this, and I want to take a look at it. Okay, I want to take a look at it and see what we can get, because one of the first thing I want to talk about when it comes to building the right opt-in page and landing page, basically, is having a consistency between your opt-in page and the landing page, or the next page basically people are going to see. It's very important. For example, if your opt-in page says lose 20 pounds in 20 days, okay, the landing page or the affiliate link that where people are going to be purchasing something needs to say the same thing. That's very important. If there's any inconsistency there, it's going to kill the conversions. All right, so it's very important to keep that in mind. So with that being said, I'm just going to go ahead and create a funnel in system.io. Okay, I'm just going to call this 12-step or 12-minute affiliate marketing. Okay, now I'm just going to use my own domain here. I already have it integrated. So I'm just going to say build an audience. That's it. And we're just going to go ahead and start creating our funnel. Now, I'm just going to choose something really simple. That is one thing that I want to actually talk about when it comes to opt-in pages. And I don't know where this whole thing started, but unfortunately, one of the things you see these days a lot is people having these crazy opt-in pages with like a million lines of text and like images and things like that. Seriously, it's really not good. You can test different things. That's A/B testing is for. But I've done a lot of tests, and one of the things I can tell you for just conversions, okay, the simpler the page is, the better. Okay, now you don't want to keep it too simple. Obviously you want to provide some information, but you don't want to just overwhelm people with just an insane amount of information. That's just something to keep in mind. That is the first tip I'm giving you guys. Okay, so keep it really simple. So I'm just going to choose something really easy. Let's see, I like this because this is like a webinar type of thing. Let's see, yeah, I like that. I'll just choose this. Alright, so I'm just gonna give it, it doesn't matter, I'm just gonna save it like that. I'm just gonna say start here, save it. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and edit this. Okay, so the first thing I told you guys was keep it simple, right? That's very important. And then again, next one is keeping a theme, having a consistency. That's another thing that you don't want to forget about at all. All right, so I want to look at this page that we're sending the traffic to. It's this one. So it's about a webinar. Now, the thing about this is that it doesn't really give you that much information, so you just want to kind of guess on this one. Okay, now one of the things I can do is I can look at their other pages, for example this one, and hopefully it pulls up. No, it doesn't. All right, just gonna replace my own. There you go. So I'm just gonna see if they can give me some headline ideas. Okay, now again, one of the things I always do when I'm promoting affiliate products is I try to use as much material as possible from the vendor, from the product seller, because they know the product better and they know what works and they've done their tests. And you don't want to make your life harder by just trying to come up with a whole new way to sell their product, right? So that's what I always do. I always, I always just use material they have. So keep that in mind. That's something you want to remember. So breakthrough software uses this to generate sales. There you go. So that's something I could just straight up just copy right here. Okay, so I'm just gonna put it right here. Let's actually make sure it doesn't have any there you go. It's better, So with that being said, guys, now this is our headline. Now one of the things I want to do, again, idea is to keep it simple. So that's something I want to do. So I want to just make this a little bit tighter. Just gonna give it 100. There you go. So with that being said, one of the things I want to do is I want to get rid of this. Okay, let's just get rid of this one. This is not important. Sign up, enter your email. To get started. Alright, so let's change the text as well. There you go. So that's that. Again, really simple. Again, 3 things, guys. First 2 things so far. Keep it simple and make sure there is a consistency between your landing page and the target page. It's very important. Next thing I want to do is, this is something I don't talk about often, and that is adding an image. That's something I always recommend doing. It helps a lot if you're selling a product. Okay, so one of the things I want to do is I want to actually go ahead and find an image to add a product, like find an image to add to this landing page. Let me just mute this one real quick. There you go. Alright, so I'm just gonna get a screenshot of this thing. Just gonna drop it right here. Okay, and just drop an image. Just gonna drop it right above this and select file. I'm just gonna go ahead and upload that. Again, the idea here is to add an image that kind of tells them, hey, there's going to be a training or some sort of video if they watch that, right? If they go to the next page or enter their email, basically. So that's the idea here. So just go ahead and do that. I'm just gonna insert it. There you go, just like that. There you go. So just like that, guys. So I added my simple headline. commissions. I'm just gonna change this real quick. There you go. And our landing page is ready. So I'm just gonna actually go ahead and make sure this goes to the right campaign. That's gonna be the next one. So I'm just gonna go back here, and one of the things I want to do is I'm just gonna add automation rules, add rules, subscribed, add action, subscribe to campaign, and there you go. I have a full video, by the way, about system.io. It's one of the greatest affiliate marketing tools. You should definitely use it. So you know, so just like that, guys. So I just want to kind of recap this real quick. 3 things when it comes to building a really good affiliate marketing landing page to just generate more leads. Keep it simple, okay? Add an image if you can from what they're gonna expect on the next page, and also make sure there's a consistency between your landing page and the page they're gonna land on to eventually buy the product. It's very, very important, guys. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you get some value from it. If you did, please consider subscribing. I really appreciate it. Also, check out the link in the description. That's going to take you to system.io. That's the tool I recommend. It's a free, incredible tool. It starts free, and you can really build your business in there and just take it to the next level. You don't have to pay anything up front, and you know, it's everything you need to build a serious online business right there without having to spend money on, you know, other tools, and it just includes everything for you. So definitely check it out, guys. Really appreciate it if you do that. So just keep that in mind. I'm gonna make more videos about this stuff. I'm just back to making a lot of videos every day, so like, you know, I'm recording a lot and just putting out these videos. So guys, if you want me to make videos about something specific, definitely let me know. Leave a comment, let me know what you think about this video, and also if you have any suggestions, I really appreciate that. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you in the next one.